Permovable graphic films, opening up new possibilities outdoors and indoors with our new G40 and G50 line of graphic films. The G40 and G50 films are designed for most eco-solvent, mild solvent, and solvent inks. Once you get your graphic printed, you're going to want to add some application or transfer tape to make the job easy to transport and easy to go down. We're recommending a medium tack application tape with between 13 and 15 newtons over 100 millimeters. Now that your job's taped up, you're ready to take it out to the field and install it right. Preparing the surface for the G40 and G50 films is easy. Usually I just use a broom. Make sure the surface is free from debris. To apply the graphic to the prepared and clean surface, start by aligning the film in place. Tape one edge if desired or form a hinge like our friend here is doing. Once you've got the graphic in place, now you're ready to carefully remove the release liner. If you've got a large graphic, here's a little trick. After you've pulled back the release liner halfway, trim it off and reapply. This way you can work from the hinge and begin to adhere the graphic to the substrate from the center out. Once you've completely removed the release liner and have the graphic down, now you're ready for the next step. Using a squeegee or roller, work from the center of the graphic outward using firm, even pressure to minimize air bubbles. You can use a soft roller or a stiff bristle brush such as a rivet brush to work the film down into the surface. When all else fails, I use my hands to get into each crevice to make sure we have a good adhesion to the substrate. Remove the application transfer tape by starting at one corner of the graphic. If you use medium tack tape, it's going to make this step simple. Its adhesion value is less than that of the film stuck to the substrate. Peel back the application tape slowly at a 180-degree angle to the graphic itself. Once again, you're going to want to burnish the graphic into the surface texture by using a soft roller or a cloth or even your hands to make sure it adheres properly. Slight cracking is going to occur as the film is pressed into the deeper voids. This is normal and allows the film to give the look of a printed or painted surface rather than that of some over-laminated vinyl graphic or decal. The film can be walked on or driven on after just 30 minutes, but we didn't wait that long. And we warranty its durability for 60 days. Removal is accomplished easily and effectively by using our high adhesion removal tape. The removal tape will pull the graphic from the surface. This removal method will dislodge the graphic from the ground surface with no adhesive residue. Removal tape should be applied to the face of the graphic only, particularly on sealed surfaces, as the high adhesion removal tape will stick to the substrate too if you're not careful. Once the removal tape is firmly applied, it can be pulled slowly from the substrate at about a 135-degree angle to the graphic. This cleanly removes the graphic and all adhesive residue. Any remaining graphic chips can be pulled up by reapplying unused area of the removal tape. All of the removed product should be disposed of in accordance with local applicable ordinances.